Did you know that every cell in your body vibrates at specific frequencies, and these vibrations determine whether your cells thrive or deteriorate? Modern science is now uncovering how harnessing the right frequencies can supercharge your health, while negative vibrations can sabotage your biology. Today we're diving deep into the science of cellular vibrations, how they work, the frequencies that heal versus harm, and the proven techniques you can use to optimize your body's energy for peak performance. Cells aren't just static blobs, they're dynamic electric systems. Every component from the mitochondria, your energy powerhouses, to your DNA, vibrates at precise frequencies. These vibrations drive critical processes like energy production, nutrient absorption, cellular repair, and DNA signaling. Research shows that healthy cells resonate in a sweet spot of frequencies, just like tuning a radio to the right station. Studies in biophysics and vibrational medicine reveal that certain frequencies promote cellular harmony. 528 Hz, known as the love frequency, shown to repair DNA. 432 Hz, which reduces stress and aligns with natural Earth harmonics. The Schumann resonance at 7.83 Hz, which stabilizes circadian rhythms, and 40 to 70 Hz gamma brainwaves, linked to peak cognition and cellular regeneration. These frequencies enhance mitochondrial function, reduce inflammation, and even boost telomere length, slowing aging. Just as harmony heals, chaos destroys. Toxic frequencies disrupt cellular order, chronic stress releasing cortisol, anger and negativity creating erratic low-frequency patterns, and EMF pollution potentially interfering with cellular communication. Negativity literally vibrates your cells into dysfunction. Ready to upgrade your cellular vibration? Here's the science-backed toolkit. Sound therapy with 528 Hz solfeggio music or Tibetan singing bowls. Grounding by walking barefoot to absorb Earth's 7.83 Hz Schumann resonance, meditation and breathwork, PEMF and Rife machines, and fostering positive emotions like love and gratitude. Your cells are listening. Will you feed them chaos or coherence? Hit like, subscribe, and comment frequency below for a free 528 Hz healing track. Start today. Play a 432 Hz playlist while you sleep, ground for 10 minutes daily, and watch your energy transform. The science is clear. Vibration rules your biology. Tune up, level up, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health hacks and tips.